Hello everyone watching the Village Solution channel, and in this video we will fix Apex Game Launcher not opening problem on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So first of all, just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are new on this channel. So to fix Apex Game Launcher not opening problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, first of all just right click on taskbar and open Task Manager and do the same as I'm showing you in this video to fix Apex Game Launching error.